In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a spotlight effect to your video using CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video by tapping the Import button and selecting your file. Once imported, add them to the track in the order you want. After that, go to the Effects tab and use the search bar to find the spotlight effect. Once found, tap the Add button to add it to the track. For this tutorial, let's cut the part where the spotlight flickers. Use the split tool to cut both of the video and the effect layer. Now, copy the spotlight effect layer and paste it on the next clip. Again, use the split tool to cut the video layer to match the effect's duration. Repeat this process for every clip where you want the spotlight effect to appear. Now for the last video, do not cut the clip. Let it continue playing after the spotlight ends. This creates a more dynamic and cinematic ending to your sequence. Once it's done, preview the video to see the effect in action. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've successfully added a spotlight effect to your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!